Hello audience, I'm excited to have you join me on this channel. This is the first practical session for Microsoft Excel. We'll be looking at practical illustrations on the following. 1. How to load MS Excel. 2. Overview of the environment. How to minimize the window. How to maximize the window. How to restore the window. And finally, how to exit the window. To open the Microsoft Excel, that is to load Microsoft Excel, you come to the start menu. This is the start menu. You click, then you type Excel. Then as soon as you start typing, Microsoft Excel will be highlighted. You just come and click, or you press enter button. Then you wait for the application to load. Then we select the first option, that is a blank workbook. You just double click, and here is Microsoft Excel environment. And this is in the smaller window. We have the maximize button and the minimize button. So when you minimize the window, it will come down at a smaller icon. Then you find it here on the taskbar. Then you click, it will come up. Then you can use your maximize button. When you click, it will maximize the window to fill the entire screen. Then you can use the zoom to bring the items closer to you. So this is the environment. This is the title bar. Under the title bar, we have the menu bar. That is, we have the file menu, the home menu, the insert menu, page layout, and so on. Then we have the standard toolbars under the menu bar. Then we have the row numbers. We have row 1, row 2, row 3, and so on. So also we have the column letters. We have column A, column B, and column C, and so on. So like I said earlier, if you want to minimize your window, you just click on the minimize button. Is that okay? Then you come back here, then you click to open your work. If you click on the restore button, it will reduce the window to a smaller size. Then the restore button will convert itself to the maximize button. Then you click here to enlarge the window again. To close, you just come here, then you click the close button. You can lay your hands on the following exercise. Kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.